Hello, namaste, vanakkam, hola, marhaba, assalamu alaikum. This is your Biker 360. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to kayaking. Finally, after a very long time, many friends have gathered today, like Lishan, Harshita, Vaishak, and other people. They are coming there. I'm riding the Bajaj RS200. You might have seen this bike on the vlog. Last time I shot a vlog for changing the tires of this bike, Apollo Alpha S1. The design of this bike is very beautiful actually. They have built a very cool machine from Bajaj after the NS200. You can say this bike is a bade bhai of NS200. What a grip, guys. The tires are very cool. They have a very crazy grip. I can just lean on any type of road. See this. Let's wait here till Vaishak comes. He's coming from Manipal, I guess. He has told to wait near Santekatte. This is Santekatte. This is Lishan, the shy guy. Harshita, where is Harshita, dude? He's coming back, I guess. So as I was telling, the kayaking spot in Hude is a very beautiful spot for kayaking. In Padubidri you have another kayaking spot. In Mulki you have another kayaking spot. But this is the cheapest kayaking spot in Udupi. They just charge around 100 rupees for half an hour and 50 rupees for 15 minutes. That's it. It's a very cool spot. You can just visit this place. I'll just show you how it goes. You can just watch the vlog carefully. It's a very interesting vlog. All have arrived. Vaishak, Lishan and Harshita. It's near Kemmanu hanging bridge. Now we'll be going to Hude beach first. Like we'll go there and chill for some time, and we'll wait for Harshita's friends to arrive. Some two of them are coming, it seems, so we'll take some time before we kayak. Kayaking is a sport. It's a boating sport. What a grip, guys. I'm just a crazy fanboy of Apollo Alpha series. That's it. Oh my god, the roads are fucked up here. Even my bike has Apollo Alpha H1, that series. This bike has S1. Crazy, guys. Awesome grip, guys. This tire has an awesome grip.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will.
Guys, we have reached Kemmanu now. For the kayaking we need to take the right turn, but now we'll be going to the beach and we'll be returning back after everyone comes. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂತ ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಉಂಟು ಈಗ
ನಾನ್ ವೆಜ್ ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು.
ಹೌದಾ?
ನವರಾತ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
So we are heading towards the Hude spot. You guys can get toddy here, very good quality toddy. Toddy is a drink prepared from coconut.
I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
the temple, guys. The hotel comes just after this temple. This is the hotel, guys. There are many people. Today is my birthday. Not today, not today. It was day before yesterday. English ಯಾಕೆ ಬ್ರೋ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡುವಲ್ಲ
ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ
ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಾವಲಿಗ
ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಿದೆ
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕೇಕ್ ಗೈಸ್ ಲವ್ ಯು ಲವ್
ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬೀಳ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಉಂಟು
ಓ ದೇವಾ
Happy birthday, bro! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Pratik Reddy!
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you. I didn't want to believe my feelings for you. I didn't want to believe that I could lose you if I told you just how I felt.
Been dancing for so long under the stars. I feel that the grass will cut through my skin. All the pills we take have seemed to prolong our existence, but I don't feel alright. I would rather be alone than have you. Every time
So guys, we are leaving from here. I'm riding Vaishak's Duke 390. First time experience of riding Duke 390. Oh ho 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 ho, crazy dude. This thing is a rocket. Damn bro, this thing is a rocket, seriously. As soon as I give a throttle, it just jumps off. Oh ho 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 ho. Nice, nice. Vaishak is riding the Duke 250, my Duke 250, and I am riding his bike. The braking is so great in this bike. Cool man, cool. KTM has brought a very fantastic machine after the Duke 250. The next segment, CC segment with after Duke 250. This bike has a very great road presence and everything is perfect in this bike.
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some oil. Oh, think it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it.
This is how this machine starts. The sound. It has a ride-by-wire. It doesn't have cables. Everything is electrical in this bike. They have included a very lot of electrical systems in this bike.
Boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let off the rules, cause that's so much fun. Are you loving the feeling? It push me on you and it don't say what you're saying, but the pickle. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Damn bro, what kind of bike is that? Crazy.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it.
I will swap my bike in just 3, 2, 1. That is better transition. Need to learn it. I don't think it will be I don't think it will look good this time, but I have time to learn. I'm just a beginner in vlogging and editing also.
The only thing I'll do.
There's a hanging bridge here, and the other side of this island, there's the kayaking spot. This is the kayaking spot of Kemmanu, one and only place near Udupi. Other place is in Mulki, but that is too far from Udupi, so we are just coming here. This is very like the best spot in Udupi.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock.
You can see the people kayaking here. It's an adventurous sport. You can visit this place. I'll just put the location in the description. Hi bro. Hi. Your name? Traffic, right? So guys, we have finally reached Kemmanu kayaking spot, which I've been talking about. There's a second kayaking spot in Mulki, but that's too far from Mulki, so we have just come here and have a great time. These are kayaking.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾವು ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಇಲಿಯಾಸ್ ಕೆಮ್ಮಣ್ಣು ಕಾಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವರ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes. So start ಮಾಡುವಲ್ಲ. Guys are getting geared up. ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ Hi. So guys, this guy here, what's your name? Ran. Here's your brother has a YouTube channel. You guys are running it. Okay, he has a YouTube channel. They are brothers, right? Yeah, it has crossed almost 57 lakh subscribers. It's a very great thing. Good to know you. What's your name? Suhan, right? Yeah. Desi Gamers, do subscribe. I'll put the link in the description. You can just check it out, guys. It's a crazy gaming channel. Okay, so bye. Sigo. Next target. Hi. Sorry, birthday. Sigo. Bye. So we are done with today's vlog. Hope you liked the vlog. See you soon in the next vlog. Bye bye, take care, Kudafis. Live your life, live your dreams. Boom. I'm your subscriber. Yeah, thank you. Biker 360. Hey, selfie.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup.